In order to open a cash drawer, go to the point of sale screen and navigate to the top right to select your payment terminal that you're currently using. Right now, we have the P8 payment terminal. You can change it by clicking on this drop down and selecting whatever payment terminal. Once you have the correct payment terminal selected, navigate down to the cash drawer management button, and you're going to go ahead and click on that. Once you're on the cash drawer management screen, you can see it says current status is closed. So in order to open a new cash drawer, you're going to go to the left on this green open drawer button, and then it will open up this drop down where you can select all of your bills that you have. So if you can select whatever denominations of bills, and it will automatically calculate the dollar quantity on the right hand side. You can enter all your coins, all that you want, whatever is in your cash register. Then once you have that all selected, you want to navigate down to the bottom and you can see the open drawer button. Go ahead and click on that. And it will give you a little notification saying drawer opened successfully and the current status is open. Once your cash drawer management drawer is open, you can click the return to POS button, which will return you back to your point of sale screen. You can go about your day.